Alright guys, so I'm Chris at JTech, and today I'm finna show you how to replace the spark plug today on this 2003 Honda Civic, and it's a coilover plug car. So first you wanna take this nut off the coil. Take the coil out. You want to get an extension with the spark plug socket on it, and just take it out. And usually when you want to while you want to check and sometimes replace the spark plugs, maybe you hit that certain mileage where you need to check it, or it's just good because it'll keep your car running smooth. So you see right here, this spark plug is in pretty good shape. The gap looks good. So now what we're gonna do, take our gap tester and check the gap. Right now we at 0.25, which is below spec, but for instructional purposes, I'm gonna put this back inside the car.
If they're going to Houston, I wish I would have saw that. I didn't realize Houston played as well as they did. They played good. Yep.
Excuse the instructors back there talking about the game last night. And that's how you replace and check the spark plug. Oh snap. Almost forgot to put the coil back in, that's my bad.